Welcome this video Eco Friendly Decoration idea, centrability and style living in and around them is become increasingly impressions. Eco-friendly decoration is a fantastic way to blend centrability with style, whether decoration a home often or even space. Choose centrability material and design can significantly redeem the footwork while enhance the aesthetic appeal. Here are some eco-friendly decoration idea that promotes centrability without compost on elements. Centrability furniture option for furniture make from reclaimed wood, boho, or reclaimed material is an excellent way to read impact. Reclaimed wood around a rustic charm and unique story, while boho growing quick and is high renewable. Recycle old furniture with eco-friendly and finish also give new life to exact price, redeem wash and Promax. Centrability indoor plants and growing wall add greenery to your space, enhance aesthetic, while air quality. Indoor plants such as plants and pitch requested minimize man entrance and help the air gardening valve and versatile gardening and an innovation away to